Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Health Essence. If you are preparing for MDCAT, I know how intense and overwhelming it can feel. Late nights, endless study sessions, and a constant pressure to memorize and perform. But what if I told you that by making a few small changes in your routine, you could focus better, retain more, and actually feel calmer during preparations? In today's video, I am sharing 7 science-backed techniques to naturally improve your brain function, memory, and learning capacity, all based on real research and practical tips you can use starting today. Number 1. Focus like a laser. The first thing you need to know is this: your brain cannot multitask. We are designed to focus on one thing at a time. When you are studying with your phone next to you, notifications, tags, social media, your brain is switching between tasks. This content switching leads to lower retention and poor focus. Try these tips. Turn off notifications. Use the technique of 25 minutes focus study and 5 minutes break. Keep only the study material in front of you, nothing else. When you give full attention to one task, your brain retains information more efficiently. This is proven in cognitive science studies. The tip number 2 is move to memorize. If there is one thing you can do to instantly improve your focus, it's exercise. Just 20 minutes of moderate physical activity like walking, skipping rope, or even stretching can improve attention, focus, and memory for up to 2 hours afterwards. Exercise also increases the size of the hippocampus, the brain region responsible for learning and memory. It helps you grow new brain cells. Practical tips for MDCAT students. Go for a walk before you start studying. Use breaks between subjects to move your body. If you are at home, go up and down the stairs 2 to 3 times. The third point is be alert, not exhausted. To learn effectively, your brain needs to be alert, not sleepy, not drained. Activating your sympathetic nervous system, also known as your alert system, helps you stay focused. Try these alertness boosters: a cold shower or even splashing cold water on your face. Deep breathing. Try to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Short high energy movements like jumping jacks or skipping. Don't force yourself to study when you are in a dazed or drowsy state. It's simply ineffective. The fourth step is to understand the role of healthy stress. Mild stress releases chemicals like adrenaline that helps you sharpen memory. Also, don't study right after a big meal. Your body is focusing on digestion, not brain activity. The next very important point is understand your brain's natural rhythm. Did you know? Your brain runs on a natural 90-minute cycle of focus and fatigue. Every 90 minutes, your energy, attention, and cognitive function peak, then drop. It's completely normal. Don't fight it, just flow with it. Here's how to sync your study sessions. Study intensely for 90 minutes, then take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. Listen to your energy. Don't force focus when your brain is signaling for rest. You are not lazy, your brain is just following its natural pattern. You might be surprised by the power of sleep. That your brain doesn't learn during study. It actually learns when you sleep. After a study session, just 15 minutes of rest, even a short nap, helps solidify what you have learned into memory. Sleep is not optional. It's essential for long-term memory, focus, and emotional control. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screens 30 minutes before bed. Use relaxing routines like warm tea, green tea, light stretching, or making a dua. Do you know what is the best time to study? It's actually the mid-morning or early evening when your brain is naturally more alert. Avoid cramming late at night after dinner. The last point is try to build a routine that supports your brain. At the end of the day, what matters most is consistency. Build habits that protect and strengthen your mind. If you found these tips helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Essence for more natural ways to stay strong mentally, physically, and spiritually during your medical journey.